Welcome to Summit Railway and to the first video on this channel actually. Today we are going to swap out some parts on this LGB model, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you will notice is that we are missing the buffer plates on both sides of the train. So I bought replacement parts and we are going to install them right now. This is the track cleaner we just took off along with the screw, and here we go with the replacement parts, the new buffer assembly. A little trick I learned by doing the other side is to pre-assemble these two parts before you assemble the actual track cleaner. They just click together and it's much easier to do in advance than on the model itself. The next part we are going to swap out are these power pickup sliders. They are bent and worn out, so we need to replace them. Now I have changed the power pickups on both bogies, so let's do some cleanup and have fun. Okay, since the maintenance is done, we are ready to have some fun. So follow me to my friend's layout. So, this sums up the video. I hope you had fun watching it, and we will see us in the next one.